Hey library friends, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Bella, one of the youth services clerks at PSPL. If you're one of those people who are looking for books on our ebook sources to read to your kids, or just to have your newly independent readers read to themselves, you've come to the right place. Because today I would like to recommend a super cute book series called Buddy and Earl by Maureen Fergus. And there are other books in this series as well. Buddy and Earl Go to School, Buddy and Earl and the Great Big Baby, and Buddy and Earl Meet the Neighbors. And this is a series about two lovable friends and their adventures together. And what's super nice about this series is that there are pictures on each page to go along with the stories. So it makes it really great to follow along, especially for your little ones. This is a great series just to cuddle up and read to your little kids, or just to have your newly independent readers read them. So I hope you give these books a try, and you can find this series on Hoopla, and I hope you enjoy them. Bye!